Hi everybody, I'm Rob Dufficy, this is Station 19, and welcome to Station Saturday. Well, here at Station 19, this is our front area. You probably noticed that we had some cardio equipment here. That's because this station is pretty small, so we have to put our cardio equipment out here. And then we have a life safety educator office right here. So Einer's normally in there. And this station is just one level versus the other stations you've seen. And it's our farthest west station. So come on in. Just a public bathroom right there. Come on in. Got one big great room, that's our kitchen. And as you've probably seen at other stations, we have 3 refrigerators. So that's for the 3 shifts that are here. And a lot of cabinets, as you can see. So this is our day room. You've seen at other stations. We got a nice big TV. We've been doing a lot of video-based training, so TV like that is super helpful. And so in the evening, a lot of times we'll just kick back here, watch a movie. You know, there's only 4 of us here. This is just a single unit station with a brush truck. So gets kind of nice and cozy. So it's nice to hang out together. This is the farthest west station. So it's a pretty nice view. We got a nice little patio that we can head out there. We got 3,000 acres. It's complete open space owned by Lockheed Martin. So a lot of times we'll have elk over there, we'll have wild turkeys. We got Chatfield Reservoir right across the street. It's one of the busiest reservoirs in the state. So it's pretty diverse over here. Come on through here. So back here, it's just kind of like a big circle we're going to do. We got the bedrooms. So everybody's got their own bedroom. You can come on in here. You're probably familiar with the first in. You've seen these, of course. So since we're just one unit, so when it goes off, it's us. And so of course I can select how loud it is, how bright it is. I've been doing this a long time, so I need it as quiet and dim as possible because I'm going to wake up. So we just have 2 bathrooms except our public bathroom. So pretty standard bathroom. Each one just has 2 showers. So, you know, it works good for 4 people. 3 more bedrooms. I think this is one of my favorite logos. So probably seen some of the other station logos, and it's something personal with the station. And we call this Area 19. And most of that is because just down the road we have Lockheed Martin, which is a huge space and defense contractor. Anywhere from 6,000 people work there on a daily basis, up to 14,000 people, like if they're doing a Mars mission. A lot of top secret stuff goes on there. So since they're real big into the space, this kind of became Area 19 since we go there. So we got our little alien. So he's on our fire truck as well. We have t-shirts. So it's a super cool logo. I like that one a lot. This was a Littleton station. It was built, I think, 4.5 to 5 years ago. So there's a lot of great legacy stuff in here. So we got a little workout room. Not as big as some of the others, but you know, that's why the cardio stuff is out in the front. But it gets it done. We get our weights in here. Plus we have the bay that we can use. Something that's really cool about this room is Littleton had all of their logos, all their rigs logos, you know, put on a sticker for the wall. So super cool. I love looking at these. So yeah, so it's a great little workout room. Got our laundry room. So you can imagine, since we're here for 48 hours, you know, besides station laundry, sometimes we got to do our own uniforms and such. So pretty standard. Kind of like the other stations. And we'll head around this way. So unlike some of the other stations, we just have one office. So we all share that. We got the 3 computers. So everybody's here sharing. So we've got the medic. We've got medic reports to do. The officer, you just kind of pick one and just kind of work all together. So it's just kind of a little bit of a space saving thing. Just the one office. So it works out pretty good. Now we'll head out to the bay. So we got engine 19, which it's one of our newer ones. We just put this in service in November. So it's a 2019, and it's an awesome rig. I love that we're doing the black and the red and the Littleton style, which I've been through white and red trucks, white gold trucks, all red of different shades. Now we got the black and the red, and it's super cool. I love it. So there's 4 of us on that, including a paramedic, at least one paramedic. So it's an ALS engine. Of course, again, we got our cool logo on the truck, and I'm real proud that we're doing that on the rigs. Kind of creates a lot of pride in the station, crews with rigs. We got a brush truck, and this is also pretty new. We got this back in November as well, October, November. If you want to see some detailed information on both these rigs, just click on this link right up here. We got our COVID coveralls. Kind of looks like a sail rack over there. So that's kind of our routine like you've seen. We got our P100 masks. So our routine in the morning is kind of do a safe distance from each other, do our shift change, grab our masks, grab some coveralls, and then go about our daily checks on the rig. Okay. So we got our tool room in here. Again, it's pretty small on space, but it's just our basic tool room. We were busy working on some saws earlier, but all our tools, our spare foam, a few spare pieces of equipment are in here. And then just down the way, we have a utility room. So just kind of our supplies for washing the rig. Got our sink that's where we wash our masks for the COVID. And down here, since I said this is an ALS station, this is our EMS closet. So it's all our spare medications, our EMS supplies, our oxygen. So everything we need to restock after a call, we can get from here. And then we got a bunker gear room. So all our spare gear is in here. So all the gear that you see now is the other shifts. So A and C shift, this is their gear. And then we have washer dryer, and that's going to be just for like truck towels, the coveralls. So nothing that's, really going to be going inside the station. So just try to keep that isolated. All right, so that's Station 19. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Way out west here, and I'm going to select the next station. So, all right, looks like you're going to go see Station 12. Thanks for stopping by.